longest-running crypto publication here in the country, a trusted source for local Web3 news since 2017. He has covered every major milestone in the Philippine crypto scene and continued to shape the conversation for both builders and traders. Please welcome Michael Mislos from BIP Pinas. Hi Michael, GM. Good evening.
Super humbling naman nung introduction.
Yes.
Thank you for that, Lucille.
Yes, I'm so honored to introduce you. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Michael.
Alright, no, so thank you again you guys for joining itong ating Bitbulaga event. So very jam-packed, no? I was joking earlier kanina na since magbe-bear market na, baka future events paunti na